Do you want your crush to feel secure in your relationship? Here are 5 proven strategies to help you achieve that. First, always communicate openly and honestly. Transparency builds trust and helps avoid misunderstandings. Let them know your intentions and feelings. Second, show consistent affection and appreciation. Small gestures like compliments, hugs, or even a simple text can reinforce their importance in your life. Third, respect their boundaries. Everyone has their comfort zones, and understanding these limits shows that you value their personal space and needs. Fourth, be reliable. Keep your promises and be there for them, whether it's sticking to plans or lending a listening ear. Consistency is key in building a secure foundation. Lastly, support their dreams and ambitions. Encourage them in their pursuits and be their biggest cheerleader. This shows that you are invested in their happiness and future. Remember, making someone feel secure isn't about grand gestures, but about the little things you do every day. These strategies, when practiced sincerely, will help your crush feel valued and secure in your relationship. So, start implementing these tips today and watch your bond grow stronger.